Okay, so hi, Swati, how are you?
I'm good, Grace. How are you?
Yeah, very nice. So today we will have an interview because I feel like a lot of people have chatted with you in ADP or in other in LinkedIn. They reach out to you, want to hear your opinions as a UX researcher in the tech industry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for having
Uh,
me here.
thank you. So we'll mainly we'll go through some of the questions they ask you the most,
Yeah.
and hopefully people can benefit something from that.
Yeah. Sounds good.
Okay, good. So first, you want to have a brief intro about yourself?
Sure. I am a UX researcher at Microsoft. I work on Azure Portal, which is the cloud. Azure is the cloud offering from Microsoft,
Mm,
and I work on products for outages and communication. So if you think about, let's say you reach out to a customer care and it's down, and you're like, "What is happening?" Maybe it's their issue or maybe it's Azure's issue.
mm,
There is a lot of people from that company
mm,
that are working with Microsoft's engineers to resolve those issues. There is a lot of communication happening, and we have a whole suite of products for that. So I
mm,
work on those suite of products for communications and outages. And prior to Microsoft, I worked at ServiceNow for about a year, which
mm,
is also another enterprise cloud company. And how I came to ServiceNow and Microsoft as a UX researcher was from my education. I did a PhD in human computer interaction from
mm.
Drexel University in Philadelphia. My PhD was in healthcare, and my thesis looked at how clinicians collaborate with each other during a very specific high intensity setting called trauma resuscitation.
Mm.
That is when somebody with trauma and emergency medical
Yeah.
resuscitation, somebody is having a heart attack, gunshot wound, and things like that. So they will come to the hospital. There is a lot going on in the room. So my thesis looked at, we introduce technology, if what modality and things like that. Let's go back way further. I came to the US right
Mm,
after my undergrad from India. I did my undergrad in information science. I came to the US to do my master's, which was also in information science. And then I actually worked for 3 years as a ServiceNow implementation specialist at the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia,
mm,
meaning it was kind of a development role. I was implementing ServiceNow as a tool for them. That's when actually ServiceNow was just starting out as an IT service management company, like the ticketing system.
mm,
That was a great experience for me.
mm,
But I did not wanna be in that role for a long time, so that's why
mm.
I switched careers and I got into grad school, I got into the PhD program. Yeah, that's what I do today. Even though PhD is not in enterprise applications like that, even though it is in healthcare, I think that the skills are still translatable or transferable to industry, and that's what I'm doing right now.